Hello, beautiful ladies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dress Up Ideas. Today, we are absolutely thrilled to embark on a chair, the enchanting world of bridal. Your wedding day is a magical moment you will forever, and finding the perfect dress is an essential part of making that day truly unforgettable. We understand that choosing the ideal wedding go can say with the classic go that you are drawn to the modern with a sleek and elegant shaped dress that your and celebrates your confidence here now for the world of wedding fashion is the designs to ensure or your very princess look a morning and sleep inspired go take some time to explore to gather inspiration and style preference option that are just unread that trolley beauty address list now not modern. In the wedding dress, your wedding day is an undeniably one of the most special and pretty. Let's explore a range of styles from timeless elegance to click to help you discover your perfect wedding dress. Selection play a role in a image the luxuries feel of to and your account with reading and delicate earning and experience elegance fabric your outfit with a traditional touch while a delicate flower crown can with your soul. I understand that investment but fear not. I have made sure to some and option remember that had not the beauty of a dress it is the way it makes you feel that truly matter. You do not have to break the bank to find the perfect ground, the one that will make you feel confident, beautiful and special can enhance with your soul. The right exercise can elevate your learning day look and add that extra sparkle to your overall. I understand that wedding dresses can be investment but not. I made sure to include some option. Remember the price and travel your ring day one of the most wonderful. I have together a collection of different styles and classic elegance so that every bride can find something that show her hair perfectly. Each dress is made from luxurious fabric such as lace to and with these details will add touch of glamour to your look and make you feel like a true princess on your special day. While your dress is counterpiece of your bridal look, accessories like jewelry and hair can take your look to the next level. You can choose for a traditional look or opt for a flower crown for a more bohemian vibe. The possibilities are endless and adding the right accessories will give your dress a personal touch it is to remember that running dresses can be expensive, but I have also more affordable option that still look stunning. The key the key is to find a dress that makes you feel amazing of how many much it costs. One of the best things about dresses is that they come in a range of size so every bride can find the perfect. If you can't find exciting what you are looking for, many designers offer customization to make your dress truly unique. I hope this video has given you some ideas and inspiration for your wedding dress. I am so thrilled to dive into one of the most important aspects of any wedding place. Choosing the perfect dress for the special day can seem like a task, but fear not. I have to written a variety of beautiful ring ideas that will inspire you and help you find the count of your dreams. When it comes to garden dresses, there is a style of every personal taste and preference, whether you give to world's classic and designs or perfect something more bohemian and furry. There is a dress up there that will perfectly suit your style for these want to make a grand and feel like statement is the perfect choice. Dramatic note will leave everyone in all is you will turn the is all ideas I am sharing with you have been famous celebrates fashion as well, so you can find confident that they are trend and will make you looking stunning. Your special day, remember your wedding result should reflect your personal style and make you feel so. Feel free to get create create and have fun with your choice. Thank you so much for the watching my video. I hope you found these ideas helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, as it will help me create more content like this. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss my future. I am here to help you find the perfect wedding dress for your special day. Your wedding day is one of the most important dresses you will ever wear, and this important that you feel confident and beautiful. It with so many styles and designs to choice for, it can be over, but I am here to give you some ideas and inspiration from the traditional ball gowns to modern sleek design. There is a modern they are too much your personal taste and style. I have put together a collection of different styles and classic elegance so that every bride can be find. These details will add a touch of glamour to your look and make you feel like a true princess on your special day. While you dress in a counterpiece of your look, accessories like jewelry and hairpiece can take your look to the next level. You can choose traditional look or opt for a flower crown for a bohemian vibe. The possibilities are endless, and adding the right accessories will give your dress a personal style. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you found these ideas helpful. If you have any question, Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget hit the like button if you enjoy the video. Is